Are we not supposed to use sudo anytime we call SSH? Because EC2 user is not root. If we call SSH, we're not supposed to use sudo.
We are working as root.
No, I'm talking about when you're trying to connect with server.
For SSH?
No, not you were on that one.
SSH, no, we don't use sudo.
When you're trying to connect, okay.
Yes, the VI into this file, insert, then go all the way down. Where are we? Where's the file? Okay, so we did it here, right? This is correct.
Maybe we did not do it in the other.
Maybe it's on the other one that we didn't do. So let's come back here and do the same thing here. So we come here and we say
VI.
First of all, let's be root and be in the proper directory. So sudo su, then cd etc ssc ls minus la, then vi, and then so I, and then we also say allow password authentication.
This one, I guess this should be the mistake.
So we are done. Escape, save, quit. All right. Anytime we edit a configuration file, what do?
We restart.
Yes. So
and we enable
system ctl. Then what? Restart. What service did we change now?
SSH.
D.
All right. Then system ctl.
Enable
SSH. Awesome. Beautiful. So let's try it again. Okay. So we try to SSH. Okay. First of all, cannot SSH as root.
Let's go back to the EC2.
CD.
CD
user to EC2 user. Then what?
Ping.
CD. Then ping is already then SSH. Okay. So we don't have that command. So we just SSH as EC2 user at the remote server. This is 3.91.152.179. All right. Permission still denied.
But since we have named the server, can't we just say at server 2 instead of
saying? Not here. We can, but not here. Let's take the server. IP address is the real name. So later when we talk about DNS, then I can now show you how it is resolved. SSH EC2 public. There's something I still have not copied. Okay. So public CD.
Or SSHD.
No, this won't be SSH. The command is SSH, but the service is SSHD. Permission denied. Okay, let me troubleshoot one more time. So let's look at the document. SSH, we have authorized on both sides. Destination, the sudo SSH EC2 public address. Maybe we're interested in SSH EC2 at public address. Or am I doing wrong? EC2 at.
Can we sudo it?
It's not sudo. Permission denied. Public key. I copied the public key from here to here, so why did it deny? Okay, let me just look at that. So, okay, so, let me check. IDRS, SSC, public. Let me check that public key. So, EC2, what am I? LS minus LA, CD, SSH, LS minus LA. This is my public.
Let's cut into it, let's see.
Cut that, yeah. I didn't copy it well or what?
Do we need the key pair of the server, the EC2 instance, the key pair of the EC2 instance?
Yeah, that's it. This is the public out of the two keys, the key pair. This is the public key. This is the one we need to copy. We are copying this, Control C, and then we are putting it here. And then we are putting it here. Where are we putting it?
You did not save, or you just quitted?
That one we didn't need to save. It was already done. Right? So where are we putting it here? Let's go to root user to EC2 user. Then what? CD ls minus LA, cd dash SSH ls minus LA, hat or echo. So let me just do VIC. So insert. All right. So copy that. Yeah. C and then Control V. I didn't copy this one. Okay. So copy from here to here. Control V and then here and do that. So that's it. Escape, save, quit. So this time, this is not a configuration file. It's not an SSH. I mean, so nothing to do. We need to restart. Okay, so I'll try one more time. If it doesn't work, we'll go ahead with other things. Then I will troubleshoot it and tell you what so how do we test now? What are we testing? We want to SSH remotely into the other server. So the command is SSH at EC2 user. SSH EC2 user at where? No. Okay, let me even try the other way around. So I'm working on server 2 now. Let me try from by the 54 .89.90.
94.
Yeah, what's my password? So this one is working. It's working from this direction to that direction. All right, because we can see that even though we are working originally from server 2, we are now in server 1. So the whole idea of SSH is that you can be on one server in California and you can be
working
on from that server in California. You don't have to travel to MTN Nigeria to go and solve that problem. You can connect to their Linux server because their GSM and 4G network run on Linux server and solve the problem right from California with the power of SSH. This is actually for the newcomer, people like I. Anyway, we have successfully logged this, at least in this direction. So now let me go back and take you from where I guess you were confused, because now at least we know what is working. All right? Yeah.
Well, when you change the name to server 1, I didn't get it, but I believe that if I watch the video, I will get that. So I get it to the point where you started pinging.
Okay.
I get it to that point.
So,
Yes,
all right. So let's explain from that point, because this is actually DevOps now. So this is like what you are going to say in DevOps. But like I told you, I'm just giving you the key thing that you will need for the job, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let me go back to drawing board. Bear with me, the other two people. So this is the drawing board. So the whole idea of pinging, like we said, you already understand ping. So from the point of pinging, what we want to do now is want to come here. So as a DevOps engineer, you have been contracted by MTN to say, please help us solve this problem, because all the problems are scripting related, Linux related problems, even though you might be using another tool on top of Linux to do. So what you want to do, for example, you want to set up their automation, their billing automation. So what you want to do, the era of traveling to Nigeria to say, our consultant is coming from Germany, that era is over. It was over like 6-7 years ago. So what you do now is you sit here in your California office and then you connect to this Nigeria server as if you were sitting right here, and everything you are doing from this California office right now, you are actually doing it inside here. You are just using this server as a terminal to not just to connect. There's a difference between connection and actually sitting here and like you are doing the work. So it's equivalent to you are in Nigeria, you are sitting here, and everything you are doing here is actually like you are sitting here and doing it. This concept of being on one system, but actually you are sitting on another system and working on that other system is called SSH. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.